Hey guys, this is Victor Cozzetto from Vitagenics again, and I want to give you some information about the iTeraCare device, the guide. This guide is actually not created by me, but it's a really nice guide. There's some things missing, but it's nice. And actually, there were some corrupted links in this guide, and so whoever did put this out, um, I'm not sure. You might want to contact me, fix your links. I'd be happy to give you credit, but there was some issue with the link, so I removed all that for safety. And of course, I have my own information here. So this is the iTeraCare, how to use the wand. Of course, you can see the pictures of it here, the Pro unit and the red unit, which is for the consumer-based product. So pretty nice guide here, actually. And this is a really great, like just these first two pages here, or even just the first page, steps of using iTeraCare. This is a really great page to start with. They're going to tell you to drink 2 glasses of warm water. Now, one big missing thing from this guide and every guide is about the water, because you actually want to use the iTeraCare device to charge and structure your water. And so you'll want to take, ideally, you would take like distilled water, so pure water that then has some minerals added to it, like maybe some salt, or for example, like some super green juice in there or something. But you want to get a clear source of water, or if all you have is filtered water, that's fine too. Don't worry about it. I mean, most people, that's what they're doing, right? Even if they're using tap water. But anyway, you take water, even if you're just taking a glass or a small jar, and you just point your iTeraCare device at that glass of water. You'll see videos out there of people pointing down into the water. You can do that. But you can also just go sideways through the glass. And you want it to be glass. You don't use plastic. You don't use metal. Glass or ceramic is fine. Okay? Anyway, and it only takes a few minutes. If you're doing like a glass, you only have to charge it or structure it. It only takes a few minutes to do this. Okay? It doesn't take a long time. And if you're doing, let's say, like a 1 liter glass jar, you do it for like 5 minutes is enough to charge your water. And that charge is going to last maybe for about 48 hours. Okay. And I don't know, but this is what I've been hearing. I can't validate this 100%, but I'm hearing maybe up to 48 hours. Structuring the water structure lasts like indefinitely. It takes a long time for water to lose its structure. But the iTeraCare device is doing 2 things at once. It's structuring and it's charging the water. It's actually charging the hydrogen bonds with that terahertz frequency. And this is really important. So ideally, you would actually charge your water and then drink it the same day that you're doing it. And again, it only takes, like if you're doing a glass, or 2 glasses, 2 minutes is all it takes to charge and structure the water. So that's what I would recommend, or doing it on a daily basis. Like I've just started. I do like a 1 liter bottle for the day, and then I do water before, after, and during. Okay, so that's the key point that is missing actually even from this wonderful guide. And then notice here, this is a great way to get you introduced. You go and you hit all these parts. You point the device at the palms of your hand, the soles of your feet, behind the knees. You can do in front of the knees too, the armpits, etc. And they'll say like 2 to 3 minutes each part. But listen, you can start off doing 10, 20 seconds. Start off easier and then build up. All right, so you're going to notice the device can be quite noisy, and you don't need the highest settings. So find what's comfortable for you, and then you build up to do more things. So anyway, right here on this page, man, this is it. This is a great way to get you started, and this is going to really trigger a lot of healing in your body. It's going to get the blood flowing, the lymph flowing, right? It's going to generate or stimulate stem cells, etc. So very, very good. And then there's a lot more here in this guide, but this is like additional information, right? So they're showing here how you can, move the device around. You don't have to just leave it static, pointing at one point in your body. You move it around, make little circles and such. Okay, so they go through, and I'm just going to go through this really quick. I wouldn't dive too deep into this, but you can see there's a whole bunch of good information here for you. You can see it's even recommended for eyes, etc. So just go through and, yeah, get familiar with it, and I'll be doing more videos soon. Okay?